register ng kanyang name. Dito kami. Nandito daw. Yes, nice background. We are going home now. We go to the church. Balik na po kami sa simbahan tapos ng aming lunch. Hi, Sis Evelyn. Nabusog ka ba? Ang ganda. We're going back. Pauwi na kami. Bye-bye! Kapag tumatanda, yan o, katunayan o, alis, naalis.
Atis dinala ko siya kasi pinagsulat ako niya.
Mag-hi ka na o, tapos na ang retreat lunch. Pupunta na kami sa church. We're going to church.
So we continue our activity.
Yes.
See you later. Automatic save na yun sa WhatsApp nyo sa hospital.
Papunta na kami sa church para ituloy ang aming hospitality retreat. Church!
But top ring got different, right? I will tell you. Next slide, please. We are going to 4 tanneries. Okay? The first tannery, okay, you can see here. Ataro. It's very soft, not very soft. The craft also by myself. But you notice I have tools only for one person.
Oh my God.
Okay? So those of you who are watching have gotten the left. Isn't it? See with this now, like I said, everybody has one. We're going to do this. Everybody what is that rule? Okay? Correct. You will hammer up all the level. Okay? So I say, right? As well as the whole punch. Hit so hard that your whole punch go through the table. It is a demonstration of strength. We will be impressed for a few seconds, then we say pay for the table. We have no budget. Okay? I don't know. It's definitely more than the thicker one is meant for the punch. Okay? Right? Because when you punch, you definitely punch from it. Okay? So this thicker one has a bit of texture. Okay? This punch, okay? But remember when you punch, okay? What you punch, you see this whole punch is 1.5 mm. Okay? The vertical and so when you punch, okay, for example, you punch, don't like that. Don't like that. Just like that. Once. Lift it up. Even though again. On the table.
The journal
Not use the wrong cutting. Okay? Right, let's use. Okay, now this one for the cutter, okay, you must make sure that your template won't shift. Okay? Some
This
sort of
one,
like
varnishing.
because there's you cut it, okay, and then you start tying. Now you can see here, okay, that there are instructions. Okay, how it goes through. Okay, you see that? Yeah, okay, it comes up from inside, out, and in. How you tight. Okay? Okay? So have you all decided on which all? Okay, on which all
Start.
the cutters are going to
We are doing the tracer now with helping hands. Go, 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 Sis Susan.
up here.
I take video with you. Don't worry. Wow. Go, go, go. That's Sis Joanna. Teamwork. Journal. Craft journal making. Ayan, Sis Susan. Ayan, siya ang aming tracer. Wanda. Ito. Another one. Yeah.
Remember because take your time around.
For hospitality.
Square version and then you can keep that. Whoever receives it, say this is the square version. Okay? Yes, I see. Like this, right?
Wag, ayan na.
So you must be careful. Oh, see?
Lahat this is ang gagawa ng journal, leather craft journal. Kanya-kanyang busy lahat ng accounts.
Yes, only second. You ask your cutter, why you try out?
Meron. 10 cents mo nga. Nagpapunch sila para sa butas na journal. Ibilin. Sige, rub lang ng rub.
Some of you are double up.
Tapos, linisin lihain ng ganyan.
So that at least they have some knowledge. Okay?
Sige,
45
Joanna,
cm.
bira.
40.
Joanna, bira daw. Sige, pokpok, Joanna. Sige, pokpok.
Then, and then the remaining
Yan yung may curve siya, 160 degrees. Ito na yung gawa namin. Lalagyan na lang namin ng high. Yes, Joanna nagliliha na. Ganito daw siya itali. Ako din, gagaya na ako. I-measure mo na. Okay, nice. Isa pa. Tapos pag mali ka, mali lahat. Sige. Tali daw, tali. Andun no? Yan. Ito ilalagay sa gitna, tapos ilalagay dyan. Lakihan mo daw. Oh, yan. Ito pa. Lakihan mo. Lakihan mo.
po.